Hello, welcome to this video. This is Mathematics Paper 2. This is 2016 exam question. Now, I haven't written the statement. My focus is to show you how we can get rid of these answers. So this is a triangle, position M, I, and K. The first thing is calculate MI. Calculate MI, meaning calculate this length. Now, we need to understand something. Whenever you are calculating the distance, this one, we need to understand the side. We need to understand the angle. So these calculators, they represent angles. So the opposite of this angle is this side. So this one is going to be K, and it will be written in small letter K. The opposite of this is this one, like that. So this is I, small letter I. And the opposite of this M is this small letter M. So these are sides now. Now to calculate MI, we are going to use cosine law. Now we need to find this side. So the opposite of this angle is this side. So here we are going to say K squared is equal to, the opposite of this side is M squared plus I squared minus 2mi, then cos K. So this is the angle now. Our job is to substitute. We don't have this side, so we write K squared is equal to, what is M? M is 3. Then we square it, plus what is I? I is 5. Then we square it, minus 2 times 3 times 5, then cos. The angle here, it is 110. So we write 110 like that. To 3 squared, that is 9, plus 5 squared, that is 25, minus 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. 6 multiplied by 5, that is 30. So we have 30 cos 110. Then K squared is equal to 9 plus 25, we are getting 34. 34 minus 30 cos 110. Now we need to write this on the calculator at one point. We say 34 minus 30 cos 110. Then we place equal sign. We have 44. So here we say, now we need K, not K squared. So we introduce the square root. This and this will cancel out. So K, small letter K, is equal to, now this answer on the calculator, you don't have to delete it. You just say the square root of the answer you place here, of the answer. Then you say equals. So we have 6.65. It is 6.65 2 8 6 4 3 6 8. Now it is MI. So we are going to substitute this to say MI is equal to, if you are told to leave the answer in 1 decimal place or 2 decimal place, you can say 6.7 kilometer, and you are done with that part. So this one is done. Now if you check, it is the longest distance because this one is 5 and this one is 3. Now let's go to the next question. Calculate the area of a triangle MKI. So the area of this angle. The area, you use the formula to say area is equal to half of BC sine theta. half of BC sine theta. Now, we need to have this side and this side. We need to have this side and this side, then sine k. So we say area is equal to half of mi, then sine k. Mi, then sine k. So area is equal to half multiplied by m. M is 3 and I is 5. Then sine the angle here, the angle here is 110. Then we say sine 110. To say 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15. So we have 15 sine 110 divided by 2. Then area is equal to 15 sine 110 is equal to that. Then you divide that by 2. You divide it by 2. So the answer is 7 point is equal to, you leave the answer according to the stated decimal places. So we can say 7.05 kilometer, then squared, that is the unit for area. And you are done with that part. So this one is also done. Calculate the shortest distance from K. Shortest distance from K from here to MI. So we need to calculate the shortest distance from here to here. Now, if you look at this, this makes a right-angled triangle. Now, to calculate the shortest distance, we say area of a right-angled triangle is half BH. So our focus is here. Our focus is here. So this is the height. Now you say over 1, you cross multiply. You're going to have 2A is equal to BH. We divide it by B, we divide it by B, which is the base. Now, H is equal to 2A over B. I know you have used this formula before. Now, the height is equal to 2 multiplied by, what is the area? The area we have calculated, it is 7.05. Divided by the base. The base is this one. For MI, it is 6.7. So H is equal to, you say 2 multiplied by 7.05 is equal to that. You divide it by 6.7. So it is 2.1044777612. So H is equal to 2.1 kilometer. And this is the answer. This is the shortest distance. If you check, this one and this one and this one are all bigger than this. So if you find this edge to be bigger than the values that are given, then your answer is incorrect. Then your answer is incorrect. And you are done with this one. So the distance at this point is 2.1 kilometer. So this is how we can answer a trigonometry question in paper 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Teacher Musoba.